Today, let us explore the nature's tiny engineering wonder, Baya Weaver Nest. The Baya bird is tiny master builder, famous for its extraordinary hanging nests. Made from a fresh green grass, palm strips, and plant fibers, the male bird, yes, only the male bird weaves these nests with its beak, knotting each strand like a skilled craftsman. The nests are shaped like a flask and a long tube like entrance that keep away the snakes, crows, rains, and the squirrels. These nests show remarkable design, strong, waterproof, and safe. What makes them even more special is that the female bird carefully inspects the nest. Only if it is well made does she accept the nest and the male. This makes the Baya Weaver nest not just a home but a symbol of skill, patience, and the wonders of nature's architecture. Special thanks to my son Rohan for providing all photographs and footage used in this video, whose love for birds and their documentation extends back over 15 years now.